Hi guys, welcome to the assembly video guide for this asymmetrical shelving unit. Just going to start off with the bottom part of the unit attached to the wall. We're sending the unit in two parts to make it as easy as possible to assemble. Recommend 3 people, 2 for lifting, 1 just to help guide things through and as an extra just in case. So here's the top part. So get your first part anchored to the wall securely, and then raise this part up and just drop it in. All the flanges and pipes should locate into one another, and then you just key them up. You probably find that there's a little bit of adjusting to do in order to locate everything in. We don't know how much movement we'll have in transit, so it's always worth getting a level and some Allen keys out and just having a tidy up of that. Cool. Now, on this installation in our workshop, we had a little bit of trouble with just the one pipe here. So I'm just going to show you a way in which to solve any issues that maybe come from any movement in transit. So we've got a 10mm hex head drill bit, and we're just going to loosen off some of the flange parts. By doing this, we're just going to give ourselves a little bit more play, a little bit more room to manoeuvre the individual components in order to get the best fit. And once we've got everything fitted back in, I'm just going to go back through and fire the screws back in. We don't want to do this too much because we don't want to continuously pull up those screw holes, so if you do take them off, maybe try and make sure that it's only 1 or 2 times that happens, just to be safe. And that really is as simple as it is. Yeah, so right at the end, maybe go back over and give it one more adjustment in any parts that maybe don't look right. And that's the installation. Thanks very much.